Alright, in order to adjust the liters of oxygen in a mini oxygen concentrator that looks like this, the only thing you have to simply do is just hit the minus or positive. And of course we can go up to, and you could actually hear it going, you can go up as much as you want by just hitting the positive, and then going down you go to the negative. Right now the patient is on 1 liter, and of course before you make any adjustments in your liters, make sure you consult with your doctor before doing so. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bentley, what you doing? You know we love you. Even though you do overeat a little bit, we still love you. He's chilling like a villain.